everyone, welcome back to 𝖶𝖆𝖊𝖐. In today's video, we are going to learn about the structure of an Arduino program. An Arduino program is called a sketch. A basic Arduino sketch consists of two functions called setup and loop. Each Arduino program has three main parts: variable declaration section, 2. setup section, 3. loop section. When your program runs, it will first define your variables, then execute the setup section once and execute the loop section over and over again. Variables are usually declared at the beginning of a program, immediately followed by the introductory comments. All of the variables that you are going to use in the program should be listed here before the setup section. The setup function is called when a sketch starts. We use it to initialize variables, pin modes, and to start using libraries. The setup function will run only once after each power-up or reset of the Arduino board. After creating a setup function which initializes and sets the initial value, the loop function does precisely what its name suggests. It loops consecutively, allowing your program to change and respond. It is used to actively control the Arduino board. I hope you have understood the basic structure of an Arduino program. In the next video, we shall learn about the syntax and how to execute the program. Thank you for watching 𝖶𝖆𝖊𝖐. Stay tuned. See you in the next video. Until we meet. Bye-bye.